Let's plan week 17 in my Kristy planner from Laurel Denise. I'm filming this one a little early because we're going away week 17 and I want to get it set up so everything's in here and I can add things that we're doing. I am going to flip this around and we're going to get to planning. This might be a hint about what we're doing, and let's just do it. Let's plan week 17 together. Now, I have nothing to look back on this week because I'm actually filming this in advance. So we will be leaving on Sunday for our trip to Disney World. So I will not be able to film this video then. Plus, I really wanted to just get this set up because I have a lot of things I want to put in here for the days that we're gone. So let's do this together. I am going to use my Happy Place stickers, and I'm not sure I'm going to use the washi tape because, now where are they? They must be right in here somewhere. Yeah, they're right here. I don't think I'm going to use these. I might use these. I'm not really sure, but I do have my washi tape for Disney that I love. It's just like these little sparkles, stars, kind of love that. So I want to use that. So I'm going to use that, and maybe I'll use this for the second week. I don't know. So let's see how this goes. I will be quiet and set this up. I think that's about all I can do right now. I need to get out the digital Disney app, see what we've got scheduled. Most of it will change because that just seems to be the nature of lightning lanes, multi-pass, all that. So I may just do sticky notes and then put the final in here when it's done, because I just set these boxes because I know where I'm going to be and I can just add little notes in them as we go. So maybe I'll always use my erasable pen, fill in maybe what I know now, and I can erase it later and change it if I need to. But that is a look ahead at week 17. I'm really excited to go up there again, and I will do a video of our trip so you can look forward to that if that's something that interests you. We will be going to Animal Kingdom on Earth Day. That is the anniversary of when Animal Kingdom opened, is actually April 22nd. I think that's appropriate with the animals and everything. And we were there, I think it was the 30th anniversary, but they always have some special pin or something going on Earth Day. So we definitely want to take advantage of that because it's just kind of fun. And even if there's not, there's just so many fun things to do at Animal Kingdom, especially with the animals. And it's just such a pretty park. So there's that. And I had forgotten, so I did get these really fun Bloom stickers, and I pulled them out to find the Earth Day sticker to put right here. I did not plan to do the green because it's Earth Day. It just fell in my lap, which is kind of fun. I love that I did the green. We've got Earth Day, the colors and everything matches really, really well together. I'm actually so happy to be a week ahead so that I can get things in here. I don't do that because I do these planner videos weekly, so I'm not really ahead. But when I do these ahead, it's really nice because I can go in and write things in advance, which makes a lot of sense. So maybe I need to do a few videos a month, or yeah, just be a few weeks ahead of myself so that I can just be more efficient maybe. So there's that. That's definitely a thought. So week 17 is done. If you are new here and you have not seen, I do Disney videos of our trips. So if that's something, I think I mentioned that in the overhead. If that's something that interests you, you can check those out on my channel. And those videos will be coming, after we get back. We do have flower in the garden, so it's gonna be so pretty, and I'm so excited. I don't know if you noticed when I put the weather down, it's gonna be 91 degrees on one of the days we're there, and then it goes down to 83, so that is really nice. But 91, that may be a pool day. So we will see how that goes, and I'm really looking forward to just a little R&R. It's actually not that R&R because we are always go, 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 and we're just really busy just moving around the different parks. So it's not as relaxing as you would think because my husband and I just love doing and seeing everything, and it's just a fun little getaway for us. So thank you so much for being here with me on this video. If you have not already, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You'll get notified when the next video goes up, and that should be week 18. So I'll see you in that video.